Wondering what's hot in vegan cuisine right now? From mouth-watering mains to desserts you simply won't be able to resist. These are the top 10 vegan recipes everyone must try in 2025. Whether you're a veteran vegan or just curious about plant-based dining, this list is packed with flavor, creativity, and serious wow factor. Let's dive in! Hey plant lovers, welcome back to the channel that turns plants into plates. If you're into vegan food, easy recipes, and the latest in plant-based trends, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Today, we're counting down the best vegan recipes of 2025, and trust me, you're gonna want to try every single one. We've searched social media, cookbooks, and kitchens worldwide to bring you this year's most viral and trending vegan recipes. Here are the top 10 vegan recipes you have to try in 2025. 10. Vegan Korean BBQ Tofu Wraps. This recipe is blowing up on TikTok this minute. Crunchy tofu glazed in sweet and spicy Korean BBQ sauce, wrapped in lettuce or rice paper with vegetables and sesame seeds. It's flavorful, protein-packed, and absolutely addictive. 9. Creamy Vegan Mushroom Stroganoff. Deep editing, creamy and comforting without a single drop of dairy. This recipe employs cashew cream and salted mushrooms for that ultimate umami flavor. Perfect for weeknights. Add chickpea tuna salad sandwich, your new lunch staple. Mashed chickpeas, vegan mayo, celery, dill, and lemon juice come together in this no-cook satisfying meal. BBQ. Vegan sushi burrito, big, bold, and colorful. Stuff your nori with sushi rice, tofu or tempeh avocado and pickled veggies. Roll up and chow down. Spicy peanut noodle bowl, chewy noodles tossed in a creamy spicy peanut sauce with crunchy veggies and lime. It's one of those meals you'll crave again and again. 5. One pot lentil coconut curry. This dish is as nourishing as it is easy. Lentils simmered in creamy coconut milk with curry spices, perfect with rice or naan. 4. Cauliflower buffalo wings, crispy, spicy, and totally addictive. Perfect for game day or parties. Serve with vegan ranch and you in heaven. 3. Vegan mac and cheese with butternut squash. Uses trendy take on a comfort squash and nutritional yeast for a cheesy creamy sauce. 2. Vegan baked feta pasta. Indeed, the viral TikTok pasta lives on, with vegan feta and cherry tomatoes now being roasted to perfection. Stir, mix, serve. 1. Vegan chocolate avocado mousse dessert. Lovers, this is for you. Decadent, creamy, and made with just ripe avocados, cocoa powder, maple syrup, and vanilla. Guilt-free pleasure. And that's a wrap on the top 10 vegan recipes to try in 2025. From bowls to desserts, this list proves that vegan food in 2025 is anything but boring. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked these vegan recipes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a friend who is looking to eat more plants this year. Until then, stay vibrant and keep cooking. These are the top 10 vegan recipes you need to try in 2025. The latest, trendiest, and most delicious plant-based meals and desserts sweeping the globe right now. Whether you are new vegan or an experienced one, these recipes will surely inspire. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for new vegan food videos weekly. Comment your favorite dish from the list.